iGroup Technologies is excited to announce the newest addition to our line of pretreatment machines for the direct-to-garment industry. The Viper Mini is a compact yet powerful DTG pretreatment machine built for the newcomer and small shop alike. The Viper Mini is self-propelled, so you don't need to move it around by hand. It allows for adjustable speed, so you can control the amount of pretreatment that's applied to the shirt, as well as the ability to adjust the spray width by adjusting the nozzle up and down to decrease and increase the width of the spray. And pretreating a shirt with the Viper Mini is as easy as laying out a shirt on top of the foam platen, smoothing it out, placing the Viper Mini on top of the shirt, and simply pressing the button. As it self-propels itself down the shirt, release the button when you're done spraying the appropriate length, and you have a pre-treated shirt ready for curing and then DTG printed. When you receive your Viper Mini and pull it out of the box, you'll need to take the handle and screw it into the main body of the machine like this. You would tighten the handle up just like you would a screw and make sure it's tight. Next, you will want to connect the fluid and the electrical supply connections to the Viper Mini. Simply insert the supply tube into the tube inlet or fluid inlet, press firmly, then take the electrical connector, insert it into its port, and then tighten the nut to ensure that it is firmly connected and won't pull out of its connection point. Filling the Viper Mini with pretreatment is a simple process. Simply take a cup, place the cup under the spray nozzle, and firmly press the button on top of the Viper Mini to start pulling fluid into the machine itself. You'll know when it's completely full when the spray nozzle is spraying out pretreatment solution continually. When done, remove your thumb off of the fill button or the spray button, take your pretreatment container, set it aside, and you are now ready to pretreat shirts. The Viper Mini also allows you to adjust the amount of pretreatment applied to the shirt simply by changing the speed at which the Viper Mini will travel across the garment. You can see here on our touchscreen display that you have the option of increasing or decreasing the speed at which the Viper Mini will move across the shirt. Lower numbers will increase the amount of pretreatment applied to the shirt, and higher numbers will speed up the machine and actually lay down less pretreatment onto the garment. Refer to the Quick Start User's Guide for the correct setting of the speed in relation to the height setting that you have set for spraying the width of the spray. So make sure that you refer to the user guide for the correct speed setting for the correct height setting. Now let's take a look at how to actually spray a shirt. We'll take our shirt and lay it out on top of our foam platen here, making sure that we have all of the wrinkles removed from the surface of the garment. Then, after we've set the speed and the spray height that we want on the Viper Mini, we will simply place the Viper Mini on the middle of the shirt with the center wheel aligned with the center track of the spray that we will be applying to the garment. And always note that the spray will start several inches in front of the wheels, as you can see here. After spraying a couple of times, you will get used to where it starts. So once we have everything in place, simply grab a hold of the handle and gently hold it. We don't need to drag the Viper Mini across the shirt. It is self-propelled. When you're ready to spray, firmly press the button and use the handle to guide the machine across the shirt. When you've achieved the desired length of spray that you want for the Viper Mini or for this particular garment, release the button and set the machine off to the side And you can then take your pre-treated shirt and either run it through your conveyor dryer or heat press to cure the pre-treatment. And that is how you pre-treat your shirts with the Viper Mini Pretreatment machine.